So in here I've got the Victron Energy SmartShunt 500 amp. It's a pretty bland, unassuming box, but if we whip that open, inside we've got here our quick install guide, which is relatively straightforward. And then we've got, more importantly, two positive cables here for connecting up to two batteries that we want to monitor. And in here, our smart shunt itself. So it's in the typical Victron Energy Blue. And we've got spaces here for both our battery and auxiliary battery connections, as well as for connecting to a monitor device. And so we've got here on the top then our battery terminal this way and system terminal this way. And that's pretty much all there is to it. That's the smart shunt. So that's it, that's all that's in the box. If you're looking for one of these, head down to the description to grab the affiliate links to find one for yourself. And I hope you found this video helpful in some way. Like I said, there's not much to it, but nevertheless, I know how awkward it can be sometimes when you just want to see these things a little bit more detail than the product photos. So, hope you found it helpful. Be sure to like it and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this from me. Bye!